Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2009 Ford Escape and I will show you how to remove and replace this small front radio screen. This video will apply to Ford Escapes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. On my Ford Escape this screen keeps flickering and I decided to replace it. I've encountered that problem in the past and the only fix is pretty much to replace it. Now the good thing is you don't have to buy a brand new screen. You can get a used one from a local car salvage or a wreckers. There is tons of Ford Escapes there, and I got this part for 15 or 20 bucks, something like that. So it's very cheap and it takes literally 5 minutes to replace it. Your other option is trying to find one online on eBay or Amazon, and your third option and most expensive option is buying a brand new one from a Ford dealer, but that will cost you probably like 400 or 500 bucks. So like I said, find a local car salvage and get the piece. This one is not in perfect shape, but it's good enough for 15 bucks. Okay, so to start, first you want to pop out this plastic piece that's surrounding this screen. Now you don't have to disconnect the passenger airbag sensor here. You just want to pop it out and put it on the side. You'll have enough space to work and to remove and disconnect the screen. Best tool to use would be a plastic trim remover, but if you don't have one, like me, I don't have one handy right now, you can use a flat screwdriver or something like this. Just be careful, don't make any scratches to the dashboard. Okay, so just work your way all around. And once you have it a bit out, you can use your hands to completely remove it. Okay, just like that, and now just put it to the side. And now you will get access to 4 7mm screws which are holding this screen in place. So you'll have 2 screws on the left side and 2 on the right side. So remove those 4 screws. Once you have the screws out, there is nothing else holding this screen assembly, so just want to pull it out. Okay, just like that. And now to completely remove it, you'll just have to disconnect it. You'll have one electrical connector in the back. There's like a small clip right here which you have to press inside and then just pull the wiring out. And that's pretty much it. I will not be recording how to install a new one because that's quite obvious. You just plug it in and make sure before you install all the screws, just try to start the vehicle and make sure that your new screen actually works. If it works, put everything back together and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.